Greetings WordPress bloggers, welcome back to another tutorial from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to download older version of a WordPress plugin from wordpress.org, and I'm just going to download an older version of this Ninja Forms plugin. And when you click on the Ninja Forms plugin, this is the page to download and get more information. So on the right side over here, click on Advanced View, and here you will see some additional stats, downloads per day this plugin is getting, and active versions of this plugin. And you can see other versions people are using for this Ninja Forms plugin. About half is using the newest version, and the other half are actually using older versions for whatever reasons. So here at the bottom you can go to select a specific version to download, and you can select all the way down to version 2 or whatever. Each plugin will have their different version numbering, so you can select the one. So the newest one is up here at the very top, and then the ones down here are older. So if the newest one is not working on your website, then you can consider downloading an older version to see if your website is working again. So that's pretty much how you download an older version of a WordPress plugin. Thanks so much for viewing, and I hope this helps.